Hello students, we are part second, semester third, subject English literature. In last video, we learned about an essay on good resolution. So here, in this part second, we learn half information about essay. Today, we are going to learn next information about this essay. Here, Robert Lean discuss about good resolutions. There are the three types of good resolutions according to Robert Lean. Number one is easy, number second is difficult, and number third is very difficult. So here we will see next information about this essay. But some other resolutions cannot be put into practice even for a day. So here other resolutions we accept it but cannot practice continually day by day. That is the problem about good resolutions. For example, learning example of new language or doing exercise with the help of mechanical apparatus. We decide daily learn the grammar or decide to recite daily 10 words. So some days we can regularly practice, but after day by day long duration or after 2 or 3 months that habit is break up. That is human being situation. We shall be satisfied with the buying of book on the health or grammar and keep them in the shelf. To continue resolution of grammar reciting, we go to market and buy the book. After that, we decide to practice or to study properly of grammar. But Robert Lean says that human being is a slave of the old habits and he needs the mighty will on the heroic scale to change his old habits. According to writers, human being is a slave of the old habit, means easily he doesn't break up old habit or doesn't away old habit. So he is a slave of the old habit. He means he must sacrifice or throw away some of his old habits and pleasures. He wants to be reformed and perfect in his character. He wants to throw away his ugly, dead habits, but he cannot. He decides to throw up the ugly habits or bad habits, but after that also he can't decide, can't throw up this habit because that is a human psyche, human condition. That's why we don't throw up our bad habits like to eat tobacco, to sleep more and more, don't study properly, after that wandering here and here, you are to respected people. The like is bad habits we don't throw easily. This is a psyche of human being. However, there is a sub-instinct of the perfection in him which forces him to take good resolution every new year. However, we decide to take the good resolution in every year, every new year or every new situation. But we can't do like that. People can't do like that. According to Robert Lean, the characteristic of the good resolutions are that man has a strong belief in the possibility of the performing miracles. So here now Robert Lean discuss about characteristics or features. Means if you decide strongly, break up bad habit and to accept good habits, definitely that particular person can do it. So that is means we have to keep properly this habit. We decide to our mind. After that, we can keep properly good habits. This is the why common man always takes good resolution on the expectation that on the first or second day itself he can perform the miracle, but he doesn't get it and disappointed. After that, common man always take good resolutions on the expectation that on the first or second day. Means common man decide to keep proper habits first or second days, but after third days he forgets. He can perform miracle. He decide to perform like the miracle, but after that also he not decide or he break up that. He doesn't get it and the disappointed, and after that he became disappointed like that. Lack of will proper in the cause of his failure. Again next day, new year he will take the number of good resolutions. After that, he failed at that time and he decided in new year another to keep good resolutions. Mean again, yeah, again this process is going on. So writer is telling here or discussing here about good resolution. Means how man's mind is changed day by day. So like that writer told here. Again next year he will take number of good resolutions and try to put them into effect. But again and again fails. In spite of this repeated failure, he continued to take good resolution every new year. So failure decide always to take the good decision or good decision in the new year, but he can't do like it. This is the because there is a sub instinct for perfection in every human being, which forces us to go forward. Like that, here is a perfection in human being, and after that, human beings might decide to become perfect, to take good habits like study properly in students' life, in teacher life, teach properly to students that do properly. After that, wake up in early morning to exercise properly, to work properly. After that, to do our situation properly, decide proper activities in daily routine life. So these are the good habits we want to accept, but after that also we break up. Maybe there is a Sunday, we sleep more than more, means still yet young, like that. One day we shall get the mighty will on the heroic scale to put into practice all our good resolutions. So one day we shall get the mighty. So here is a writers confirm. One day we will accept the good resolutions, and after that we practice also continually. So like that writers know about it. Heroic scale to put into practice all the old. After that become the hero scale or the good resolution. So in this way, this essay has been completed here, and after that you try to understand properly the essay, study properly and write proper question of answer on this essay, and you study of this essay exam point of view. In next video we will learn next part of this essay like question answer, context to reference, etc. Thank you.